He's come to see me. Yeah. Are you so cute? Are you so cute? This is Leo. Leo. Here. Do you like the baby, Christina? Do you like him? Hi. Hi. Oh no. Oh no. You're not my bubble. You're not my bubble. I think he just puked and swallowed it again. We have a carload. There's Gina, Jordan, Leon. Hello, Leon. Christina. Hello, baby. Daniel. Oh my goodness, he's already gone to sleep. And there's baby Leo in there. So we have a car, and there's Bailey in the boot. We have a stuffed Gibraltar terrier in the boot. That is what I call a carload or a bus load. We are at the river. Christina's pulled her, dressed up into her nappy. We've got Leon over there paddling. There's Bailey. There's my brother and his girlfriend. And over here we have Zanny. Zanny, hi. He's got a sweetie in his mouth. There's Christina. There's Jordan looking for pebbles to do water skimming. There's Gina. And over there is Leo. You can just see his legs. He's asleep. And yeah, so we've come to the river. And the kids are just paddling for a minute. And we were going to not do paddling, but this monster over here insisted on walking in with his shoes on. Didn't you, Leon? The train? Yeah, we're right. There's a train track just on the other side of that hedge over there. What you doing, monkey? Hi, Danny. You want to go back in? You don't want to go back in, do you? You made it, baby. Danny's gone back in. He climbed in himself.
I might not be able to do it. Well, then I will have to... I need a round one. You're throwing S. Right.
What are you doing? What was that face, Gina? Oh, he's crying for it.
Oh, what was that?
I think he's nervous of going in.
He's scared now, isn't he?
He's scared himself because the current took him nearly a minute ago.
Yeah. That's annoying.
Oh.
He's getting excited for him.
Oh, Gina, let him have that stick so he can just play with it. Look. It went too deep, too far. Danny. Yeah. There's Leon up there. Him and Jordan have made fake poos out of wet mud. Huh? Geordie, stop chucking stuff at your sister now. And Danny is here having a bit of booby. Aren't you? Is it nice? Is it nice?
I heard you talking.
Jordan, stop the toilet talk now. Is it nice? Is it nice? Yeah. Do you love it? Yeah, so he's having a quick booby whilst I sit here and the kids are playing. And it's nice and quiet here, like kids can play about and Gets them to relax a little bit so they're not so highly strung. They're a bit full of beans earlier, so this calms them down a bit. So. There's a train coming. Christina, did you see the train? Christina, what have you got there? Christina, think about. Show me what you got. Oi, Tink. Tink.
Good boy.
Tinky. That is disgusting. Did you do that?
No.
He's going to shake. Call him to me. Call him away. Christina, what you got there?
Yeah.
Is that a poo? Did you make it? Are you clever? Dirty girl. Are you happy now? You singing? Da, 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 da.
Guess what Pike told John to do?
What? Go and wash it off. Go and wash it off. Look what you're
trying to get us in trouble.
I'm going to have to get my legs wet.
Pike, I have better revenge. Far better. Kids are playing here. We're in this like park area. There's our car. So we're sat here in our car. We're about to go home and get some tea. And the kids have all had a nice run around. And the doggy had a run around and a little swim. So the baby's sleeping and Danny will probably sleep as soon as we get the engine started. All the kids are getting a bit fed up now. Daniel's lost his shoe and sock. Jordan, can you have a scout around so you can find it for me, darling? Jordan's going to have a look, see if we can find his shoe. And then we're going to head off and get some tea. Hi guys, so I am back. We've all had tea earlier after we came back from the woods. And then after tea, I went to my mother's with the children. We just hung out there for a bit. And, you know, it's a lovely sunny evening, so we just sat out in her conservatory and had a cup of tea and a natter. And the kids just played quietly. And then when it started getting late, we quickly had a bath. And then after the bath, I've just put the kids to bed. Gina is staying up a little bit because she was really helpful to me earlier, so I said that she could stay up a little bit later. And I am eating a bowl of cornflakes in a mug with a tiny teaspoon, because although we loaded the dishwasher before we went out, we forgot to turn it on. So we have no clean dishes, so I thought I would desperately need a bowl of cereal because I only had a piece of toast for tea, because by the time I'd done the kids I was just not hungry at all. So I didn't eat until after that, and then I was still hungry. So yeah, so today has been a busy day and I got hungry again. So today, yeah, what did we do today? I can't even remember what we did. Where did we go?
Went to the woods.
We went to the woods. Yeah, we went to the woods. So didn't do a whole lot of stuff, but we had a lie-in. We hung out here, and yeah, we went to the woods, and that was nice. So we had a chill day, and it's still quite early, so I'm going to be up and try and edit some videos. I've made loads of videos, I just need to edit them and get them up. And when I say edit them, I mean just cut out the bits of me yawning, going, because I can't think about anything, and the kids screaming in the background, or, me having to run off to get something for hubby, or, so if my husband calls me and needs something, and I have to run off and, leave everything, I can't just, so I just edit all that crap out. So yes, I need to edit some videos and get them uploaded. I've got some forms to fill out, some letters to write, so I'm just going to do stuff like that. Pretty boring, really. It's been really boring day of life, really. I was hoping it was going to be more entertaining, but the people I was out with didn't want to be filmed, so I couldn't just be relaxed about the vlogging. I had to be all serious and uptight about it. So anyway, so yeah, that's me done for the day, really, I think, unless anything funny happens later and I decide to chat to you guys about it. Anyway, I will be seeing you hopefully tomorrow then. See you later, guys. Bye.